In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the sound on your Samsung TV. Now, it doesn't matter if you have this exact remote I have here, or if you have one of the newer remotes which are kind of flatter and have less buttons on, or even if you have a different model of Samsung TV, the process is actually going to remain the same, and it's a very simple process to go ahead and do. So, first of all, what we want to do is make sure we have our TV turned on. Then we want to go ahead over to our controller and type and click on the home button. From there, we want to go over to the left hand side, scroll down to where it says settings, and we want to head over to the all settings tab. We can go ahead and click on that. Now, once we're in the all settings tab, we want to go down, go to the sound tab and go to the right. Then we're going to go down to the bottom where it says expert settings. Then we're going to go all the way down to the bottom to where it says reset sound. And simply go ahead, click on this button here, and that's going to go ahead and reset the sound, and it will restore all sound settings to the factory default. So if you have some kind of issue that's going on with the sound, this should fix it, and this should bring it back to its original state. Now, as I said, it doesn't matter if you have this remote, if you have the new remote, or if you have a slightly different model of Samsung TV, this should fix the process the same way. But thank you very much for watching. If you found it useful, be sure to go down below this video and like and subscribe. Also give me a comment to let me know that it helped you out. And if you have any other videos you'd like me to make specifically about Samsung or any other TV models, then let me know down below and I'll go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.